front of our barangay official is our Mayflower Festival Queen 2023. In her farewell walk, Miss Estelita de la Peña. May we request our usherette to please assist our Mayflower Festival Queen 2023 in her throne. Once again, may we request our usherette to please assist our reigning queen to her throne.